Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Honor X8. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Now let's find the Firefox. After installation process is finished, you should be able to open it. Right here we can customize the browser with different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization. Here switch between different privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Lastly, click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see, this browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.